go. Bring the wood, let's go.
Hey, let's worry about today. Forget tomorrow, baby. Let's worry about today. We're going to dominate this game, all right? Dominate on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dominate.
Let's go. It's game time, baby. Let's go.
Two receivers right. Dropping to throw, looking that way is Brewer, throwing it now near sideline for Phillips, catches it 2 hands in front of his chest, in stride at the 5, and zooms into the end zone. Touchdown, Hokies, they strike first.
Way to play, man. Way to go, Wade. Cam, nice job, man. Hold it down, baby.
Let's go. Let's go now.
Taking over for Flutie at quarterback. The handoff on first down and coming straight forward. Out of the backfield, he lost the football. Grabbed by Motua Puaka. He's got it on the run. Nothing but oxygen in front of him. Angling to the end zone. Touchdown, Hokies.
Is this momentum stopped or not?
Let's go, man. Who got it out? Real. Look, there it is. Drew got it right there. Touchdown. Drew keep getting it, man.
He was trying to push you on the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, you heard me weak.
I told you. I was like, man, let me go. Touchdown. Look, right now. Touchdown. Don't give an inch. Okay, every blade of that grass out there, that turf is ours. All right? Getting that attitude. Y'all got me on that? Let's go, Zay. Bring the juice, Cal. Juice. Go, Buck. All right, just execute. Let's go, man.
Looking for the end zone left side, and it is intercepted.
That's what I like, man. That's what I like.
Same to you, man. Love your team and on the way you handle your team.
Same to you. Hey, I'm proud. I'll tell you, I'm proud to be a part of you. And what we did here today, I mean, it just doesn't happen everywhere. I mean, it takes special people, and we got them in this room. We got them in this room. Let's enjoy this thing. I'd like to see that plane rocking a little bit. All right.
It's a plane.